Today I'm going to show you how to use Jamboard. So in your Google Drive, you'll click on the waffle looking icon here and go down. It is part of the Google Suite, Jamboard. You can create a new one by going to the bottom right corner. Click on the plus sign and it will open up a new one for you to customize. So one way I like to use it is to ask a question. For example, you can ask anything relating to your unit of study. And then you can set a background. You can choose one of the ones already there or add your own image. If you go to Google Images, you can just search Google. I'm going to select this one and set it as my background. You can customize the color. And here's where your students get to interact and engage with it. They can click on the sticky note icon. They can select the color. I'm going to stick with my green theme and respond to the question. For example, I'm going to go with my favorite food is tacos. Now, Jamboard doesn't show the name of the contributor by default, so I have my students add their name to their sticky note. And then they can add an image relating to their response. So I went with tacos. I'm going to select this one, insert. And then if you'd like to duplicate it, you can click here and go to duplicate. If you feel like it won't fit, like not everyone's response will fit, or let's say you're doing an individual response, that way you can duplicate the same format. Then you would just add a title. I'm going to go with favorite foods. And click share. Give access, copy the link and share it with your students. It's a great way for them to engage and interact with the content. I hope you found this helpful. Bye.